Hello. Today I will show you how to create your first voucher using the Voucher Creator plugin. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click on Create New Voucher. You will be redirected to a new page where you can enter details. Enter the voucher title. The voucher shortcode will be generated automatically once the voucher is saved and published. Next, choose the voucher type. For a fixed voucher, enter a fixed amount. For a custom voucher, specify the minimum and maximum amount. Select the voucher size from small, medium, or large. I have selected the medium size. After that, choose the voucher style, either a pop-up or a toggle button. Now, select a template for your voucher from the drop-down list of available templates. If you choose pop-up as the voucher style, you must select the pop-up type, either button or image. When selecting image, you will be prompted to choose an image from the media library or upload one from your device. Next, select the voucher form fields and available payment methods. Make sure the payment methods are enabled to appear in the list. Here you can see options like PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer. There are multiple form fields available. Select the checkboxes for the fields you want to include in the voucher form. After completing the selection, click the Publish button. A message will appear saying, "Voucher created successfully." The voucher will be automatically saved in the voucher list. Go to Vouchers to view the newly created voucher. Thank you for your time.